Understanding the International Classification of Diseases, ICD. ICD, International Classification of Diseases, is a standardized system used by healthcare providers to classify and code diseases, conditions, symptoms, and other health-related issues. The ICD system helps with diagnosing patients, documenting diseases, and facilitating medical billing and insurance claims. It is essential for public health statistics, research, and clinical management. ICD is maintained by the World Health Organization, WHO, and is updated regularly. The current version is ICD-10, though ICD-11 is the latest version for international use. ICD codes are alphanumeric, ranging from 3 to 7 characters, and they represent specific diseases, conditions, or symptoms. These codes are used by healthcare providers to document and categorize diseases and conditions, enabling proper treatment and insurance processing. ICD-10 codes have a format of 3 to 7 characters. The first character is always a letter, followed by numbers. ICD-11 codes are longer and more detailed, offering even more precision in describing diseases. Diagnosis documentation. ICD codes are used to document a patient's diagnosis in their medical records, helping healthcare providers understand the patient's condition. Insurance companies use ICD codes to determine whether a treatment or procedure is covered under a patient's policy and to process reimbursement claims. Public health and research. ICD codes help in tracking the prevalence and spread of diseases, contributing to health statistics and medical research. A patient visits the doctor with symptoms of chest pain and difficulty breathing. ICD code for chest pain. The doctor may use R07.9, chest pain, unspecified, if the exact cause of the pain is not immediately clear. ICD code for shortness of breath. If the patient is also experiencing shortness of breath, the doctor might use R06.02, shortness of breath. Once the doctor diagnoses the patient with angina, chest pain due to reduced blood flow to the heart. ICD code for angina. The code for angina would be I20.9.